Listening to English every day is the best way to improve. No pressure, no stress. Just 5 minutes of easy learning.
The beauty of traditional Japanese cuisine, exploring washiku. Japanese cuisine, commonly known as washiku, holds a special place in Japan's cultural identity. With a history stretching back centuries, washiku is more than just a way of cooking. It represents a philosophy that emphasizes balance, harmony with nature, and respect for tradition. In 2013, UNESCO recognized washiku as an intangible cultural heritage, acknowledging its significance in preserving Japanese culture and promoting healthy eating habits. At the heart of washiku is the concept of seasonality, or shun. Japanese chefs take great care to use ingredients that are in season, ensuring that their dishes capture the essence of each time of year. This practice not only enhances the flavor and freshness of the food but also fosters a deep connection to nature. In spring, bamboo shoots and cherry blossoms may be featured in dishes, while autumn brings mushrooms, chestnuts, and sweet potatoes. By aligning meals with the natural cycle, one of the defining structures of washiku is the Ichiju Sansai meal format, which translates to 1 soup and 3 side dishes. This traditional setup provides a balanced meal that includes a variety of flavors and nutrients. Typically, a washiku meal consists of steamed rice, miso soup, a main dish, and 2 side dishes, along with pickles. This structure promotes a well-rounded diet that incorporates carbohydrates, proteins, and vegetables, ensuring that diners receive a nutritious and satisfying meal. Sushi is one of the most internationally recognized dishes that embodies the principles of washiku. Originally created as a method to preserve fish by fermenting it with rice, sushi has evolved into an art form that showcases the skill and creativity of Japanese chefs. Today, sushi is made with fresh fish and vinegared rice, often paired with seasonal ingredients. Each piece of sushi reflects a balance of flavors and textures, highlighting the natural taste of the fish and rice. Another popular dish that exemplifies washiku is tempura. Introduced to Japan by Portuguese traders in the 16th century, tempura involves coating seafood and vegetables in a light batter and deep frying them to achieve a crisp texture. The key to excellent tempura is maintaining a delicate, crispy coating that enhances the flavor of the ingredients rather than overpowering them. Tempura is typically served with tentsuyu, a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, mirin, and dashi broth, adding a savory and slightly sweet complement to the dish. Miso soup is a staple in Japanese households and a fundamental component of the Ichiju Sansai meal structure. Made with fermented soybean paste, or miso, this comforting soup often includes tofu, seaweed, and vegetables. The umami-rich flavor of miso provides depth and warmth to the meal, and its simplicity reflects the Japanese approach to cooking, using basic ingredients to create nourishing and flavorful dishes. Miso soup also showcases the health benefits of fermented foods, which are known to promote gut health. Kaiseki is a traditional multi-course dining experience that represents the pinnacle of washiku. Originating from the tea ceremony, kaiseki meals are carefully curated to showcase seasonal ingredients and artistic presentation. Each dish in a kaiseki meal is thoughtfully arranged to highlight the natural beauty of the ingredients, with an emphasis on balance, color, and texture. The meal typically includes an appetizer, sashimi, a simmered dish, a grilled dish, and a rice course, among other items. Kaiseki dining is more than just a meal, it's an immersive experience that engages all the senses and reflects the Japanese values of hospitality and mindfulness. Rice holds a central role in washiku and Japanese culture. It is considered the foundation of the meal, providing sustenance and nourishment. The importance of rice is reflected in the Japanese language itself. The word gohan means both rice and meal. In washiku, rice is typically served plain, allowing the flavors of the accompanying dishes to stand out. Beyond its nutritional value, rice is a symbol of prosperity and connection to the land, as rice cultivation has been a fundamental part of Japanese agriculture for centuries. Washiku also emphasizes the importance of presentation and aesthetics. In Japanese cuisine, the visual appeal of a dish is just as important as its taste. Chefs pay close attention to the arrangement of food, using seasonal motifs and colors to enhance the dining experience. For example, in spring, dishes may be garnished with cherry blossom petals, while autumn meals might feature maple leaves. This attention to detail creates a sense of harmony and elevates the act of eating into an art form. In recent years, Japanese cuisine has gained global popularity, with sushi bars, ramen shops, and Japanese restaurants appearing in cities around the world. However, the true essence of washiku goes beyond the dishes themselves. It's about a way of life that values respect for nature, appreciation for the seasons, and a commitment to creating balance and harmony in daily life. Washiku encourages people to slow down, savor their meals, and find joy in the simple pleasures of food. The health benefits of washiku have also drawn international attention. Japanese cuisine emphasizes fresh, unprocessed ingredients, smaller portion sizes, and balanced meals. The traditional Japanese diet, which includes rice, fish, vegetables, and fermented foods, is associated with longevity and lower rates of chronic diseases. Many people around the world are adopting Japanese eating habits to improve their overall health and well-being. In conclusion, traditional Japanese cuisine, or washiku, is a cultural treasure that reflects Japan's values and traditions. It is more than just food, it's a way of life that emphasizes balance, harmony, and respect for nature. From iconic dishes like sushi and tempura to the artistry of kaiseki dining, washiku continues to inspire and captivate people worldwide. By appreciating the beauty and philosophy behind washiku, we gain a deeper understanding of Japanese culture and the timeless values it represents. Washiku invites us to reconnect with nature, appreciate the present moment, and find joy in life's simple pleasures.